on this problem, what they're asking us to do is they want us to do the operation, and then they want us to evaluate the function. So the first thing, if you guys remember, when they're asking us to do this operation, if you remember f minus g, what that tells us to do is subtract our g of x function from our f of x function. So I like to usually rewrite this as, we can rewrite this as f of x minus g of x. But then they add an extra element and they say, I want you to evaluate it for 3t. And you guys remember evaluating functions, just a little like sidebar. Remember, let's say we have the function f of x equals x plus 1. Well, when they say evaluate, that means they want us to find the value of the function for a certain value of x. So let's say if we said, I want you to find the value of 3, and we said 3 plus 1, and that equals 4. And if we said find the value of 2t, well, you just plugged in 2t in for x, and you can't simplify that anymore. So that's just a little history or reminder or whatever of what evaluate means. You just plug in, you're finding the value of your function for a certain input value of x. So, first thing we do when we're doing this, we want to figure out what the operation is first. You can evaluate it for 3t and then do that, but I like to go and first figure out what f of x minus g of x is. So, and then evaluate it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do f of x minus g of x. So f of x is x squared plus 1, and then minus, please make sure we're careful with our subtraction. If we just say minus x minus 4, we quickly forget that it's subtraction of x minus 4, not subtraction of x. So please put parentheses around there.
Teachers, pardon the interruption. Can you please turn your TVs to channel 6 for the morning Mustang news?
All right, I'm going to make this really quick here. So here we need to make sure we distribute our negative sign. So now we have x squared plus 1 minus x plus 4. Combine your like terms, x squared minus x plus 5. So f minus g equals that, right? Then what they want us to do, or let me write over here, f minus g of x equals x squared minus x plus 5. Now what they want us to do is they want us to evaluate that for 3t. So they say f minus g of 3t. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a 3t in for my x. Questions?
This is easier than...
Yes? No? Questions? You understand this? Because you do have your homework on this, right? Okay. So now once you evaluate, you just need to simplify. 3t times 3t is 9t squared minus 3t plus 5. Guys, Daniel. If you guys look at that, and you can't simplify that anymore, so that is your final answer. F minus g of 3t. Now on to the news.
I feel like